Yes, depression and anxiety are chemical imbalances. I think that's only one little part of the solution. I don't think depression and anxiety being chemical imbalances. I don't think it's that simple. I don't think it's that simple. Aswati, anxiety due to fear of future. Okay, I get you. So fear of future. That means fear of the unknown, fear of uncertainty. So anxiety being fear of the future is like, I don't know what's gonna happen. But you're not anxious because you fear the future. If you fear the future, that would be you don't fear the future, you project that the future is gonna be bad. That's what's causing your anxiety in this sense. So you can look at the future and say, I don't know what's gonna happen, and that's fucking terrifying. Like, what is gonna happen? Or you can look at the future and it's gonna be, you can say like, I have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, anything can happen. So when the term I don't know what's gonna happen contains 50-50. When you say I don't know, it's not like I don't know what's gonna happen and therefore it's bad. It's like I don't know what's gonna happen and there's a 50% chance it could be good and there's a 50% chance it could be bad. And it's even like more than 50% to be good if I work on it to be good. So we get a lot of anxiety because of the future, because we imagine only the worst outcomes. And when you imagine like bad outcomes, you're basically giving away your power to everyone except yourself. It's like, I don't know what the future holds. I'm scared what the future will be. I bet it's gonna be bad, but why? It's almost as if I know it's gonna be bad because I'm not in control of my life and certain circumstances are gonna make my life a living hell. And that's why it's like, oh my god. But look at this. I don't know what the future holds. That's very neutral. I just don't know what the future holds. Then it might be bad, but it might be also good. It's 50-50. And then what can I do today to at least shift that 50% to 51%? 51% to 52%. So when you say anxiety is like, it can be like loss of control and responsibility for your own life. If you're anxious, look around you. What can you do? What can you actually do? What can you actually do? Look around you. Like, what are the little things you can do today in your day-to-day life that will give you confidence? So let's say you wake up in the morning, make your bed, one little check. Do like 20 minutes of yoga, check. Make yourself some good herbal tea, check. Go out for a walk, check. Do at least 20 minutes of emails or chores connected to your business, check. Go do your 9-to-5 job, check. So when you have anxiety, it's probably connected. If it's projecting into the future, it's all mind. It's all in the mind. You can come back into the body and start doing action, start doing things. And then you're like, oh, I fear for the future. Okay, I fear the future might be bad, but I'm at least doing something. At least I have power in my own life. At least I can contribute to that being a little bit less than what I'm afraid of. And then it's like, most of the things that we project into the future never actually really happen. Things that happen end up being something totally different.